up, YouTube? Back out again at Lake Pueblo. It's like 14:51. We're gonna do a 4-hour challenge to see if I can put 5 fish in the boat. It's 93 degrees, blue world skies, not much wind, but the wind is supposed to pick up later on this afternoon. So we're gonna go out here and see what we can find. Put ourselves to the challenge. This hot June day. All right, so the 4-hour challenge starts now. See, my wife made me some shoes to match the boat. Isn't she awesome? Not a bad one, not a bad boy. It's a fat spot. Got no color to it. And it's a fat spot. All right, one on the board. There's fish on top of this point. Jesus Christ, another walleye dragging a damn soft plastic. What is going on, man? It's not all we want. Ooh, it's a nice smallie. That's a nice smallie. It's fun when you can spot them on the graph. Come out here and catch them. Dink. Dink, 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 dink. Come on, man, let go. Got him net. Oh, fuck. They're as big as that other one. Might be a keeper spot. Ooh, it made up for the one I lost. Man, that thing's fight hard. It's a nice smallie. All right, so that was the 4-hour challenge. I think I got 3, maybe 4 keepers in the boat. I lost 2 that I should have had. Bad hook sets, not paying attention. But going out at 93-degree weather, midday, for 4 hours, and challenge yourself to try to put a limit in the boat. Don't always work out, but nonetheless, we found them, we caught some, and nothing else is a confidence builder. So, all right, till next time.